In today's video, we will see how to fix the OnStar Bluetooth not working, Bluetooth and reset guide for OnStar system. So, to fix an non-working OnStar Bluetooth, starting by performing a hard reboot on the vehicle. Turn off the engine, open the driver tools, step out and lock the car with your fob. Wait 5 to 10 minutes for the module to power down, then restart the car. If the Bluetooth remains unresponsive, no green LED light. Try the following organized steps. Fix 1. Perform a infotainment system reset. So sometimes the vehicle radio or communication software crash. First, soft reset. Hold the end call button on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds to reboot the system. Next, hard power cycle. If the buttons are completely dead, users on platforms like the OnStar community suggest disconnecting the 12-volt vehicle battery for 10 minutes, reconnecting it and testing the button again. The fix to check for interference. If you have a recently installed electronic devices such as GPS tracker or drive safe or save beacons mounted near the rear view mirror or dashboard, they can cause GPS and cellular signal interference. Remove or relocate these devices to see if the OnStar module regain functionality. The fix 3. Check for outdated software. Newer GM vehicles such as Ultimo platform model may suffer from communicating glitches that require a software update. Visit an authorized GM dealership to check if your vehicle qualifies for a vehicle-wide programming update to resolve the telematics communication error. The fix 4. Hardware failure. If you have no lights on your rear view mirror and the reset does not fix it, the internal Chevrolet telematic module CTM or backup batteries may have failed. Unfortunately, replacing these hardware modules often face part backlogs at dealership. Check to see if your button concern is tied to an active OnStar account or report an account concern using the OnStar support. Goodbye, thanks for watching.